and I'm back with another video. We're being productive today. We're doing everything that I dread, and that's cleaning this refrigerator behind me and going grocery shopping. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me so we can make it a little more fun. I always like to clean the refrigerator before I do a big grocery shopping trip, and this one's gonna be a big grocery shopping trip. It's after the holidays, we're in the new year. I'm trying to get back right, so we're gonna clean this refrigerator out. I cleaned it out before Christmas and everyone came over, and it doesn't look like I cleaned it at all. So we're gonna get that done. We're gonna clean the freezer too, and y'all gonna help me. And if y'all want, while y'all watching this video, get up. Let's clean our refrigerators together. We're gonna clean this little portion here first. Cleaning also is gonna help me figure out what we need and what we don't need, so I can make this grocery list as well. Everything out, checking dates, we doing all the things. New year, new clean refrigerator. I'm gonna show you the truth. So here it is, quite dirty. I forgot to show you guys the before of the refrigerator. Here's the before. Damage done after Christmas. Where are our condiments? What are we doing? So truly empty, as you can see. Not much. Not much to rave about. In our freezer here, I'm gonna clean this out so we can see what we really have. It's actually hard to take out. If I was doing a deep clean, I probably would take it out and wash it, but it's dirty, but not that dirty, so I'll just wipe it down here because it's kind of hard to take out. Okay, I just added to my list, I need garlic, red onion, and mayo. My mayo expired. Let me show you guys how I like my list here. I kind of try to organize by where it is in the grocery store and whether I'm getting it from like Sam's or Costco or our local grocery store. And so I like to organize it like that. And then, you know, the app, you can have the little circles there. The circles, and I just kind of like check it off like that as we go. Super convenient, super easy, and that way I can just always keep a running list of what I might need the next time I go to the grocery store. Do the doors first per usual. Gonna check the date on these since everything is expired appearance. Let's see. So I will add Parmesan to the list. Why did I say it like that? Ugh. All right, so we got Parmesan added to the list. And just like that, that is done. All right, I was being a bit dramatic, but we just got the sides of the doors done. We still got all of this to do. So let's start emptying. My husband put sauces back here. Why? Why? If you're watching this video, Jason, why? Condiments, go on the sides. We're gonna work on that. Butter, why is that in the refrigerator? Okay, maybe that wasn't him. Maybe that was a family member doing the butter part, but he definitely does the condiments. So we're gonna put that butter there. Look, we have two of these butters because we probably didn't see that other one in the refrigerator. Can y'all come help me clean this refrigerator out? The worst part is taking everything out. Look, we do have garlic. I thought we didn't have garlic. It goes here. All right, we're empty now. I could take all the drawers out and go to the sink and clean them, but we're running short on time. So we're gonna do a quick clean, but it's gonna be a good clean, okay? Quick clean does not mean it's not a good clean. This is a real and raw clean with me. Clean your refrigerator out. Especially us moms, you might not have time to put everything in the sink and clean everything. Take all the shelves out and put the shelves back, but that's okay. It doesn't mean you can't clean it at all. All right, we're clean now and ready to go to the grocery store. Freezer empty. I'm just letting the disinfectant sit for a little bit, and freezer is dirty, so we're cleaning it all out. And while that is sitting, I'm going to be getting rid of some stuff that isn't good anymore. Everything's on the counter now. Yeah, we don't need ground turkey. I got ground turkey too. Yep, I got a bunch of it too. That girl got an old-fashioned list. Look at all this. I got stuff for juicing. Sorry, I don't have my stand, and we're just doing a quick in and out while we go to another store. I got salad, spinach, celery. I got carrots, peas, milk, creamer. I'm trying these. I got from Sam's. It's a morning protein bowl. It has scrambled eggs, fire roasted tomatoes, chicken sausage, quinoa, black bean, onion, chili peppers, and salsa. I'm hoping this is good. Got something I hope will be quick and easy to take in the morning to work. Also have blueberries, sugar-free yogurt. You guys are resting on the strawberries. I have blueberries. I'm going to clean them and all that good stuff when I get back, but we're just trying to hurry up. Grapes, chicken thighs, salmon, roast beef. You said put this stuff in the refrigerator until you get back?
The freezer, the salmon go in the freezer.
What about this? This one?
Yeah, the chuck roast, put that in the refrigerator.
Little smokies, sausage patties. All right, we're back. I'm trying this kombucha. How do y'all say it? I got this. I'm gonna try this. We'll see. It's 5 calories per can, no sugar. We'll see how it tastes. I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator and then I'll do a taste test for y'all. I'm gonna try this. It's good. All right, I'm gonna show you guys the last little bit of my little grocery haul here. We got cucumbers, bell peppers, green apples. We have red apples, onion, sweet potato, lemon, halos, blueberry bagels, banana, okay, Japanese barbecue sauce, mango. Just gotta put all this stuff in the refrigerator, and that is the worst part. I like getting all the groceries and all that stuff, but when it comes to putting it up, that's my least favorite part, but we gotta get it done. So let's do it. Greek yogurt. Never tried these, a strawberry cheesecake and milk and cookies. I've had the mixed berry, those are really good. I did not realize what I got actually. Oh, and it has vanilla too. Honestly didn't realize what this was. I thought it was my normal pack. It has the mixed berry, blueberry, and vanilla, but okay, we'll try it. Full refrigerator. We love to see it. Thanks for joining me, guys.